I'm gonna do my minimal like summer makeup because I don't know about you, but I just want the least amount of effort and the least amount of product on my face in the summer. So starting with the Whoa Glow, it's a primer and sunscreen all in one, and that's what I really like about it. I leave this on for about like 30 seconds, so like straight into my makeup. This is kind of my summer makeup palette, this here and this here. I'm gonna start with this highlight color called Fiji. It is what I've been using as a bronzer and a contour lately because I feel like it's just that simple. You can just use it for both. And I just like to put it across like my, what is this? Across, I put it across here, like where the sun would normally hit me on my forehead. Then we're just gonna contour a little. Go ahead and just kind of just blend this in since I've been blending with each step, but you don't have to. You can kind of blend it all at the end. Blend up and back with my contour. And by the way, if you don't know what makeup I'm using, this is all cream makeup that I've been using for years. It's from Seint Beauty, and they just really surpass any other makeup as far as I'm concerned in ease of use, variety of colors, works like a second skin, easy to put on. Did I already say that? It's versatile. There's so many options, and you can get somebody like me who's your personalized artist to help color match you. Next, I'm gonna go in, this is my main foundation shade, and I'm just gonna touch up a little bit of redness. I'm just doing super light coverage. Normally, I might put this on more places on my face, but I'm just kind of dabbing it where I have redness and discoloration. We're going super light, minimal summer coverage. Put a little up in my forehead, kind of blend. I just tap that in really and blend any excess like out towards the outside of my face. If you ever need a color match for this makeup or want to know more about the makeup I'm using, one, I have a ton of videos already on my profile. Highlight bubbles. I also have a link in my bio where I can color match you. Next, I'm just going to take this lightest color. I'm going to take the other end of this brush. This is a detail brush. And let me start here. I'm going to go right in between my brows. And then just a little bit here. Like just to lighten that up a little bit. And then just take that brush again and just kind of blend that in. I'm not contouring my nose today or anything like that. It's all gonna be super simple. I'm gonna like lightly prime my eyes because lately my eyeshadow has pretty much just been this Fiji color. It does a little contouring for your eye plus eyeshadow, which I think is super easy. I'm gonna go ahead and just do that since we're here. I'm just taking the smudge brush and I'm just going like right in my crease, and then I'm gonna just drag that up towards the tail, up and out towards the tail of my brow. This color pretty much makes it like a lighter shadow on your lower part of your lid. Just taking it and also dragging it under my eye too. Pup is a really pretty color that you could do this with, and I take my little fluffy end of my brush here and just kind of, you can mute it out a little bit if you want by just going over it. You can take Pup all the way up to your brow bone too. It's light enough. Okay, that's that. Now let's add a little bit of blush. And I'm using two demi colors. I'm just gonna go in between. I think one's R05 and one's 05. Brush and just add a little bit of color. See how that just added? Just is enough color for summer. And then take your balm. This is a balm. And you can just, like, I just take it across that just to provide some shimmer. Minimal on my lips too, a little bit. You can take this pink color or even this peach color and just tap a little bit over your lips. See, isn't that pretty? Just adds a little bit of color to your lips, not a lot. And go into the corners of my eyes for a little brightness with this demi color 01, just to add a little bit of brightness to the corners of my eye and under my eye. Super simple, right? I'll put a picture like of the before and after at the end, my Ilia, because it's just light and it makes your lashes look those wispy little fairy-like lashes. And I think that's great for summer, just minimal. Definitely add your mascara because that just makes your eyes pop more. Summer look, so fresh, just light and put together. And I really think adding a sunscreen that's like tinted or a tinted moisturizer, or if you have, you do sunless bronzer on your face, sunless tanner, I mean, on your face, put that on the night before, and then you can go a few days with just this, you know, great base before you add on just a little bit of makeup. It just helps you not need as much makeup, and it's doing double duty. You know, this is a sunscreen, a primer, and it's helping add a little bit more glow to our face under our makeup. So minimal, easy peasy summer look. Save this video for later. Comment if you need a link to the palette I used, and thanks for watching.